In this video, I will show you how to create a free Club Publix account online. So simply open up Chrome or any web browser. In the search bar, search for Club Publix website. Then click on the URL. Now you can see the sign up button. Click on it. Scroll down below. Put in your first name and then your last name, the zip code of your area, your email address, your phone number. Then set a password. Then simply click on join now. After that, to verify your phone number, you will get a text or a call. Then there you have to fill in your local store, your birth date, and then simply click on save. And that's it. That's how you can create a free Club Publix account online. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.